Hello friends, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we have brought current affairs from January to December 2024 as per your demand. So watch the entire video. Let's see the first question. Which country hosted the G20 summit in 2024? Correct answer is option B, Brazil. Which country won the Women's Asian Hockey Championship Trophy 2024? Correct answer is option A, India. What is India's rank in the Climate Change Performance Index 2024? Correct answer is option D, 10th. Who was crowned Miss Universe 2024? Correct answer is option D, Victoria Zaire Thilvik. What symbolic feature was removed in the new Lady Justice statue? Correct answer is option A, the blindfold. Who was named the men's goalkeeper of the year at the FIH Hockey Star Awards 2024? Correct answer is option A, PR Shrijesh. Who was elected as the new Secretary General of Interpol in November 2024? Correct answer is option C, Voldesi Urquiza. Who was appointed as the new Comptroller and Auditor General of India in November 2024? Correct answer is option C, K. Sanjay Murthy. Which country hosted the 16th BRICS Summit in 2024? Correct answer is option C, Russia. What is India's rank out of 127 countries in the Global Hunger Index 2024? Correct answer is option C, 105th. What is India's rank among 133 economies in the Global Innovation Index 2024? Correct answer is option C, 39. From which country is Hayao Miyazaki, who received the 2024 Raman Magsaysay Award? Correct answer is option B, Japan. Which state won first prize in the 5th National Water Awards 2023? Correct answer is option C, Odisha. Which country topped the World Talent Ranking 2024? Correct answer is option A, Switzerland. Who won the main singles title at the US Open 2024? Correct answer is option B, Jannik Sinner. Who won the Best Actress award at IFA 2024? Correct answer is option C, Rani Mukherjee. Where was India's first biopolymer facility inaugurated recently? Correct answer is option D, Jejuri, Pune, Maharashtra. According to the Asia Power Index 2024, which country is Asia's third most powerful nation? Correct answer is option A, India. Which company won the contract to manufacture India's first indigenous bullet trains? Correct answer is option C, BEML, Bharat Earth Movers Limited. Who took oath as the Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir in October 2024? Correct answer is option B, Omar Abdullah. Which film won the Best Film Award at the 2024 IFA Awards? Correct answer is option D, Animal. Who was named the Men's Player of the Year at the FIH Hockey Star Awards 2024? Correct answer is option B, Harmanpreet Singh. Who won the Best Actor award at IFA 2024? Correct answer is option B, Shah Rukh Khan. Which district was awarded as the Best District North Zone in the National Water Awards 2023? Correct answer is option A, Banda, Uttar Pradesh. Which community is the primary beneficiary of the PM Juga mission? Correct answer is option C, Scheduled Tribes. Which country won the gold medal in both the open and women's categories at the 45th Chess Olympiad in 2024? Correct answer is option C, India. Which country became the newest member of the BRICS New Development Bank in 2024? Correct answer is option D, Algeria. Which city was recently awarded the World Craft City certification by the World Crafts Council? Correct answer is option C, Srinagar. Which film won the Best Feature Film at the 70th National Film Awards 2024? Correct answer is option B, Atom. Who was awarded the Vigyan Ratna Puraskar in 2024 on National Space Day? Correct answer is option B, Govindarajan Padmanabhan. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of the Bureau of Civil Aviation Security? Correct answer is option C, Rajesh Nirvan. The Smart Laboratory on Clean Rivers project has been launched in which city to restore the Varun River? Correct answer is option B, Varanasi. Which site has recently been declared India's 43rd UNESCO World Heritage Site? Correct answer is option C, Charai Dev Moidams, Assam. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of the National Security Guard? Correct answer is option D, B. Srinivasan. Which word was named the Collins Dictionary Word of the Year for 2024? Correct answer is option A, Brett. Where was Ganga Utsav 2024 celebrated? Correct answer is option A, Chandighat, Haridwar. Which space agency's Proba 3 satellite was launched aboard ISRO's PSLV C-59 in December 2024? Correct answer is option A, European Space Agency. What was India's rank in the International Monetary Fund's Global AI Preparedness Index in 2024? Correct answer is option B, 72. Which country won the SAFF Women's Championship 2024? Correct answer is option C, Bangladesh. Which country became the first to prepare a comprehensive checklist of its entire fauna? Correct answer is option A, India. Who won the main singles title at the Wimbledon 2024? Correct answer is option D, Carlos Alcaraz. Who became the new Prime Minister of the United Kingdom in July 2024? Correct answer is option A, Keir Starmer. Which country hosted the SCO Summit 2024? Correct answer is option C, Kazakhstan. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of the International Cricket Council's Anti-Corruption Unit in November 2024? Correct answer is option A, Sumati Dharmavardhan. India's longest and largest urban tunnel will be constructed in which state? Correct answer is option C, Maharashtra. Which state topped the PM Swanidhi scheme performance ranking? Correct answer is option B, Madhya Pradesh. Manu Bhakar won which medal in women's 10-meter air pistol event at the Paris Olympics 2024? Correct answer is option C, bronze medal. Who became the first Indian to win the title at the Stephen Avagyan Memorial 2024? Correct answer is option B, Arjun Erigasi. Where did ISRO launch India's first analog space mission in November 2024? Correct answer is option A, Leh, Ladakh. Who became the first Indian to win the Pardo Ella Carriera Ascona Locarno Tourism Award at the Locarno Film Festival 2024? Correct answer is option C, Shah Rukh Khan. Which country won the Men's Hockey Junior Asia Cup 2024? Correct answer is option B, India. Which country named the cyclone that occurred in the Bay of Bengal in May 2024 as Cyclone Ramal? Correct answer is option C, Oman. Which mobile application was launched by the Director General of RPF to provide information about three new criminal laws? Correct answer is option A, Sangyan app. Where was the fourth Rashtriya Hindi Vigyan Sammelan held in 2024? Correct answer is option D, Bhopal. Which state was honored with the Best Agriculture State Award for 2024 by the 15th Agriculture Leadership Awards Committee? Correct answer is option A, Maharashtra. Which company launched the world's first CNG motorcycle, named Freedom 125 in July 2024? Correct answer is option C, Bajaj Auto. Who has been appointed as the new head coach of the Indian men's cricket team in 2024? Correct answer is option C, Gautam Gambhir. What was the theme of World Population Day 2024 observed on July 11? Correct answer is option C, to leave no one behind, count everyone. Who was appointed as the new Union Home Secretary of India in August 2024? Correct answer is option B, Govind Mohan. Who was honored with the inaugural K. Saraswati Emma Award in 2024? Correct answer is option B, P. Geeta. Where was the 16th edition of the Indo-Mongolian Joint Military Exercise Nomadic Elephant held in July 2024? Correct answer is option B, Umroi, Meghalaya. Which zoo became the first Indian zoo to receive certification from the Indian Green Building Council? Correct answer is option B, Durgesh Aranya Zoological Park. What is India's rank in the Corruption Perceptions Index 2024? Correct answer is option A, 96th. Where was the Financial Action Task Force plenary meeting held in June 2024? Correct answer is option C, Singapore. Who became the world's youngest chess champion? Correct answer is option B, Gukesh Dommaraju. Who became the first Indian woman to win the National Car Racing Championship? Correct answer is option C, Diana Pandole. Who won the 10th Leon Masters chess tournament in 2024? Correct answer is option D, Vishwanathan Anand. Who won the Booker Prize 2024 for her novel Orbital? Correct answer is option B, Samantha Harvey. Which country became the first to announce a carbon tax on livestock emissions starting in 2030? Correct answer is option B, Denmark. Which country became the 10th full member of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization in July 2024? Correct answer is option B, Belarus. Who was appointed as the Global Goodwill Ambassador by the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees in June 2024? Correct answer is option B, Theo James. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of the Indian Space Research Organization? Correct answer is option A, V. Narayanan. Where was the world's first Jatayu Conservation and Breeding Center for the critically endangered Asian king vulture established? Correct answer is option A, Maharajganj, Uttar Pradesh. What is the new name of Ahmednagar district in Maharashtra? Correct answer is option B, Ahilyanagar. Which state won the Vijay Hazare Trophy 2024? Correct answer is option A, Karnataka. Where has the SSI Mantra surgical robot has been recently installed? Correct answer is option C, Noble Hospital and Research, Pune. How many persons have been honored with the Bharat Ratna in 2024? Correct answer is option C, 5. Karpuri Thakur, Lalkrishna Advani, PV Narasimha Rao, Charan Singh, and MS Swaminathan has been honored with the Bharat Ratna in 2024. Where was the first Bharat Steam Boiler Expo 2024 held? Correct answer is option A, Guwahati, Assam. Who won the ninth edition of the ICC Men's Cricket World Cup 2024 hosted by USA and West Indies? Correct answer is option A, India. Which ministry launched the Rashtraparva website and mobile app to facilitate public access to information about national festivals? Correct answer is option C, Ministry of Defense. Who won the 2024 FIDE Women's World Rapid Chess Championship? Correct answer is option C, Koneru Hampi. Where was the 18th edition of the India-Nepal Joint Military Exercise Surya Kiran conducted? Correct answer is option B, Sal Jhandi. Dr. Manmohan Singh passed away in December 2024. In which year he served as Prime Minister of India? Correct answer is option B, 2004 to 2014. Sharda Sinha, also known as Bihar Kokila, passed away in November 2024. Which prestigious civilian award did Sharda Sinha receive in 2018? Correct answer is option A, Padma Bhushan. Where was the 57th annual meeting of the Asian Development Bank held in 2024? Correct answer is option B, Tbilisi, Georgia. Which Indian wrestler became the youngest Olympic medalist at Paris Olympic 2024? Correct answer is option C, Aman Shehrawat. Who has been appointed as the Chief Justice of the Himachal Pradesh High Court in December 2024? Correct answer is option C, Justice Gurmeet Singh Sandhawalia. Who was awarded the UNEP's the Champions of the Earth Lifetime Achievement Award in 2024? Correct answer is option A, Madhav Gadgil. Who has been appointed as the Chairman and the CEO of the Railway Board? Correct answer is option B, Satish Kumar. Who received the prestigious IAF World Space Award in 2024? Correct answer is option B, S. Somnath. Who has been awarded the Lata Mangeshkar Award in 2024? Correct answer is option B, Amitabh Bachchan. Which actor was recently honored with the Dada Saheb Phalke Award in 2024? Correct answer is option A, Mithun Chakrabarti. Where was Paralympic Games 2024 held? Correct answer is option A, Paris, France. Who became the first person to spend 1000 days in space in 2024? Correct answer is option D, Oleg Kononenko. Who became the first female pilot to fly the Tejas fighter aircraft? Correct answer is option A, Mohana Singh. Which word was named the Oxford Word of the Year 2024? Correct answer is option D, brain rot. Who was appointed as the new Secretary General of NATO? Correct answer is option C, Mark Rutte. The bilateral naval exercise Nasim al Bahar was conducted in Goa between India and which country? Correct answer is option A, Oman. How many medals were won by India at Paris Olympics 2024? Correct answer is option B, 6. Who has been elected as the Director General of the International Solar Alliance? Correct answer is option B, Ashish Khanna. So friends, that's all in today's video. Today's question for you. What is India's rank out of 127 countries in the Global Hunger Index 2024? So friends, share your answer in the comment box and I hope you found this video helpful. If you really found this video helpful, then do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.